You're probably wondering what in the world this futuristic device is and how it's related to beauty. Well, it's the future of hair dryers, and Kim Kardashian's hairstylist just raves about it. Hey guys, I'm Heather Gardner from Motomob. Not gonna lie, when I came across this new Dyson Supersonic hairdryer today, I stopped dead in my internet browsing tracks. This thing looked impossibly cool, but this powerful new hairdryer is promising to change the hair game forever, and it already has a celebrity endorsement. Behind its sleek and simple design, Dyson, most known for their powerful vacuums, has created a powerful hairdryer, the first one designed to actually protect your hair. First off, as you can see, there are no blades in the design, so you never have to worry about your hair getting caught again. Plus, they took the same patent motor from their vacuums and put it into the dryer, so this thing happens to be powerful and advanced too. The dryer boasts a touchscreen-like temperature gauge. Now, this dryer won't officially be ready for purchase until September, and it's gonna set you back around $400. But Kim Kardashian stylist Atkins is already a huge fan, and she says it's worth it. Dyson is such a trustworthy brand, the stylist told Us Weekly. I know that anything they create will be a game changer. Dyson actually invested $71 million into this hairdryer, working hard to up the hair drying game. Hairdryers can be heavy, inefficient, and make a racket, Dyson said in a statement today. I challenge Dyson engineers to really understand the science of hair and develop our version of a hairdryer, which we think solves these problems. The Dyson Supersonic dryer will be sold exclusively at Sephora this fall. Keep it right here for all the latest beauty news.